Hello everyone, my name is Lokesh Kaushik and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to get more traffic to your blog quickly. So let's get started. We all want our blog to be popular and garner a lot of positive attention from others. But I understand sometimes it's hard to do that. So don't worry, I'm gonna share with you the tips that I've learned from my own experience which you can use today to get more traffic to your blog. Let's get started. Let's talk about each one of them now. First one, storytelling. Add a story in your article to create more engagement with readers. Use you and I in your conversation because you have to talk with them and not at them. Other thing is, don't write a long big paragraphs because that looks particularly boring and hard to read. Use only 3 to 4 lines per paragraph at max. Second one, research. You need to choose your topic wisely, right? Because if your topic is not relevant or nobody is interested in, then you won't get any readers or traffic to your article. You need to know your audience and you need to know what topics they are interested in. Do your research for the articles you want to work for. Use tools like BuzzSumo or Market Samurai and come up with a topic that get more shares online. So if you get a topic that people want to read, you get more readers. Otherwise, doesn't matter how great you write an article, but if nobody is interested in it, you won't get any readers. So that's why make sure you do your research and come up with an article that people want to read. Third one, which is great headlines. We all know the importance of headlines. Headlines is something really important because this is the first thing which your readers will see. And if your headlines doesn't make them feel interested in it, then they won't click it. Doesn't that means you won't get any click from it, you won't get any new readers, you won't get any traffic from it. That's why do complete research, work on your headlines, use tools like CoSchedule. Every time when I share my article, I work on my headline before that. I use CoSchedule because this is will tell you how effective your headline is. It will give you score, so you will know that is your headline powerful enough. Because if your headline is powerful enough, you will get more clicks, more readers, and definitely more traffic to your blog. Fourth one is visuals. You need to add great visuals to your content because nobody want to read your boring content. If they want to read plain text, they will feel like, okay, I'm going now. But if you catch their attention, you garner their positive attention towards your article with stunning images, infographics, memes, and a lot of other stuffs like videos. So you will get more readers, so they will not only share your content but will also tell their own colleagues or friends with the same interest that hey, this article is really good and it's really interesting and useful. So make sure you add great visuals like infographics, videos, stunning images in your content. Fifth one, social media. Now we all know the importance of social media. Social media is very important. It helps us sell everything or market anything, whether it's a physical product or just a blog post. Today, almost everybody got their social media account. So we need to leverage the power of social media to share our blog post. So whenever you publish a new article, go on your social media, publish your article, a link of your article on your social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, which will surely get you more readers and give you more traffic to your blog. Sixth one, which is increase your loading speed. Now, you must be thinking why I'm saying that. This is really important. This research says if they go on a website, if somebody goes on a website, particularly anything, a blog or any useful website, whatever it is, so if the a website doesn't load within 3 to 5 seconds, they will just walk away, which means you lost a new reader, a new website visitor of your blog. So if you work actually on your website loading speed, make it a bit faster, you will see the benefits out of it. The two benefits are your bounce rate will improve a lot, and secondly, you will get more readers and more traffic to your website. Tip number 7, add social sharing buttons. So whenever you publish a new article, you need to have or you need to add social sharing buttons for your readers, because it will makes it easier for them to share that post with their followers on social media channels. Same thing I do with my article. Whenever I publish a new article, you will notice that it's on the left side as well as on the bottom. I have social media icons, because I want to make it easier for my readers to share it on their social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So if you are not doing this, you are missing out a lot of followers and readers to your blog. So make sure you add social sharing icons or buttons to your blog. Tip number 8, be consistent. So you have to be consistent. You need to keep on writing article, whether you write once a week or once a month. So whatever it is, be consistent, because if you're not consistent, your readers won't know when actually they have to come up for a fresh new article. So make sure you are consistent. Tip number 9, know your target audience. So you need to know your target audience, what topics or stories they are interested in, because this will make them engage with your content, and they not only see or read it by themselves, but they will share that or suggest your blog with their colleagues or friends with similar interests. So make sure you know what your target audience is, what content they want to read. This way you'll get more traffic and readers to your blog. Now, number 10, reply to all the comments. Now you must be thinking this is quite simple. Yes, it is simple, but same time very effective. Not everyone is doing this. You will see the bigger articles, bigger people like Neil Patel or Backlinko. What they do is they actually reply to all the comments. This is because this will make their readers feel important, and they will know that you actually give importance to their feedback, you respect their opinions. This way they will be much more active on your blog, and they will suggest to others as well. So please make sure you reply to all the comments you get. And the last tip is search engine optimization. Whenever you publish a new article, make sure that is SEO optimized, because this way when someone searches on search engines for the relevant topic, your article should be able to come up on search engine results page. So this way you'll get more traffic to your blog. So these are the 11 tips that I've just shared with you. You can use today, and I'm sure it will surely bring you great results and get you more traffic to your blog. Also, if there's any other tip that have helped you, please share it with us in the comments below. I would be happy to read it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.